Are you looking to cancel your QuickBooks Online subscription but not sure where to start? Whether you're switching to a different service or simply don't need it anymore, this step-by-step 2025 guide will walk you through the entire cancellation process without confusion. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to cancel your subscription properly, while avoiding common mistakes that could lead to unwanted charges. Let's get started. First, sign in to your QuickBooks Online account using your admin credentials. Remember, only the primary admin or company admin can cancel the subscription, so make sure you have the right permissions. Once you're logged in, go to the Settings menu. That's the gear icon at the top right corner. From there, select Account and Settings. This is where all your billing and subscription details are managed. Next, click on the Billing and Subscription tab on the left-hand side. Here, you'll see all the details about your current plan, billing cycle, and payment method. Now, under your QuickBooks Online plan, you'll find the option to Cancel Subscription. Click on it. QuickBooks will guide you through a short process to confirm your cancellation. You may be asked to provide a reason. Just select the most appropriate option. QuickBooks will also show you if there are any remaining days in your billing cycle. Don't worry, you'll still have access to your data until the current billing period ends. After that, your account will move into read-only mode for 1 year, which means you can view your data but can't make changes unless you reactivate. If you're using QuickBooks through a mobile app or via a third-party platform like Google Play or the App Store, you'll need to cancel it from your respective subscription settings instead of the QuickBooks website. Once you've confirmed cancellation, you'll receive a confirmation email from QuickBooks. Be sure to keep this for your records. And that's it. You've successfully canceled your QuickBooks Online subscription without any hassle. If you plan to come back in the future, reactivating is just as simple. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more QuickBooks tips, and share this with anyone who might need it. Have any questions about managing your QuickBooks account? Drop them in the comments below. I'm here to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.